Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV and day 41 of the 78 days of practical transurfing. You know, I do not use the term importance lightly or important, but this lesson today is absolutely crucial in creating your reality. So this is the habit of remembering, because if you do not get into the habit of remembering, or you are getting sucked into your outer or inner screen and forgetting that I see myself and I see my reality, then you are kind of like up shit creek with no paddle in regards to transurfing your reality. You've got to wake up in the moment consistently to be able to utilize these techniques and build a reality of your dreams. Otherwise, you are part of a pendulum script or someone else's script, or just getting caught up in stuff that isn't intended for you. All the crazy things that we're trying to get away from as reality transurfers. So obviously I'm going to go into all of that right now, but remember to like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love reality transurfing if you would like to get some of these in the mail. I pull 10 winners a week and I ship a nice stack to those of you that contribute energetically to TransurfingTV. So with that, I will start day 41, the habit of remembering. In order to find a way out of a difficult situation, you have to first recall that it originated as a consequence of amplified importance. A non-lucid dream in which the events of the dream occur irrespective of your will, only has total control over you because you are unaware of the fact that you are dreaming. It is exactly the same in waking life until you become aware of the fact that you have allowed your mind to become totally immersed in a problem. Circumstances will continue to control you. Stop, shake off the delusion, and remember that reality is a lucid dream, one you can control. Once you have woken up, practice transurfing in your waking dream. Vadim Zeland's interpretation. When you are floundering in inflated inner and outer importance, the most difficult thing is to return to awareness in the right moment. For this purpose, you need the keeper or the inner observer who keeps a constant eye on your level of awareness. Of course, it is hard to keep yourself in hand when you feel like going ballistic. Pendulums are like vampires. They use a kind of anesthesia, i.e. your habit of falling asleep when you react negatively to an irritant. Even now, after having read these lines, it may only be a matter of minutes before you get distracted and take an unwanted phone call in an irritable tone of voice. Try to wake up several times during the day. Look around you with a clear head and understand that it is all a dream and that you have been sleeping, not consciously aware of what you were doing. The habit of remembering is developed through consistent practice. Until being consciously aware becomes a habit, pendulums will do everything they can to get to you. Don't be dismayed. Overall, this will manifest itself as minor problems. Don't give in. Learn to remember, and you will be victorious. You'll see. Oh my God, I love this stuff. Okay, so if you still are not achieving the results you want, if you still can say to yourself, this reality isn't exactly what I want it to be, it's because of this thing. It is because you are getting caught up in an internal or external script. Pendulums are influencing you. You're getting hooked. You're getting taken down a path that does not serve you. All sorts of stuff is flying at us all the time. Externally, we get wrapped up in our brains, right? If we cannot stop consistently and say, I see myself, I see my reality, I see what is going on here, I see I have a choice. For those of you that doubt that unhappiness, being irritated, all these negative emotions we feel as human beings, if any of you still doubt that this is not a choice, then you need to start practicing this more, because getting caught up in a script that does not serve you is you losing your awareness, drifting back to sleep, the pendulum hooking onto you, sucking your blood. and this is the problem. So create a habit. I am constantly, now this is not a challenge because I have built myself up, but I'm constantly saying to myself, I see myself. I see my reality. I see myself. I see my reality. This keeps me plugged in to that future frame, my intention, right? It keeps me headed in the right direction. Anything against me or my intention, I wake up as soon as I can, as soon as I possibly can, and I don't deviate from my script. This is almost like second nature. It's habit. I mean, I wouldn't say it's totally second nature. I still have to try, but people come to me all the time and they're like, hey, transurfing's not working for me. And I'm like, because you're not awake. If you have read this book or understand these concepts and it's still not working for you, it is because of this reason. So with that, I will end this video. Please like it. And please comment below, I love Reality Transurfing, to enter my giveaway. And thanks so much for watching my video, everyone. Bye.